This is how to set up for using the StaticVR. When performing an assessment, place the foam holder over the force plate to keep it in a standardized position. When performing a training module, the force plates can be positioned independently based on your therapy goals. Once the area is set up, invite your patient over to the area. First, open a module.
So we will be doing the limits of stability test.
Press tear before the patient steps onto the force plates for accurate data collection during the assessment.
You can step up on here.
Assist the patient onto the static force plates. When performing assessment modules, position the front edge of the medial malleoli of each ankle aligned with a horizontal line on each force plate. Next, place the headset on the patient and adjust to comfort. When needed for an assessment or training exercise, you can add a foam balance pad on top of the static force plates.
Now I want you to step onto the balance pad.
Center the patient's feet on the foam balance pad using the same foot placement as on the static force plates.
This one a little bit. You're really testing your balance.
Once the assessment is complete, assist your patient with removing the headset and stepping off the foam balance pad. You can view the assessment results in the software.
Good job. There they are.